Mr. Trabaho, Mr. Kim Francisco.
Mayong hapon. Okay na ba?
Okay, sir.
Wapo rin yung speaker.
Karon pa kita.
Mga ba?
First time.
Pasensya kayo ha, kuhaan ko ninyo, nang-enjoy ko ninyo last week. Suko ko naman ako.
Sir Kim, we have the trainees and manpower mainland and Olongo.
Trainees, Manpower, Olongo, and Mainland, maayong hapon ka natong tanan. Pasensyahin lang ko, nag-hat-hat lang ko dire kay para inon nga cute. Cute. No? So, I'm here no para to speak on kanang kuan lang, run through lang siya no. Kani mga tapika is kada topic tag usa gini ka adlaw no, pero kuhaon na rin ako 30 minutes. Okay, kanya kini nga particular nga slides is kuan siya, this is worth 50,000 pesos na gibayran na mo para makakuha mi ani nga information no. Well, this has been my training slide since I was manager sa training department sa SCI. And then sigurado ko ang uban ani kini no, basic labor 1 actually gibahin na ako basic labor 1 o basic labor law 2. I tried to siguro sa to ang discussion. Very quick discussion is about the basic principles in labor laws, the labor cases and illegal termination, about pre-hiring modes, about pre-regularization employment, no? Regularization or regular employment, mga statutory benefits, management prerogatives, termination employment. This will form part of the entire basic labor law. Pero ang uban na hindi na ito makaver ay para masunod na po ang usa ka topic na passion for service. Ang passion for service po later on is i-training ko na ko anong dunay labor code kung sa'yo basihan no? Number 1 ang ato ang Philippine Constitution. Okay, ngayon magod ang ato ang Constitution. Under Article 2, Section 18, it says, the state affirms labor or as the primary social and economic force. It shall protect the rights of workers and promote their welfare. Article 13, Section 3 says, the state shall afford protection to labor, local and overseas. Doon namin importante rin na the state shall afford protection to management, to the company. Wala, no? So, sa Philippine Constitution, very kuwag siya kanang at tuwid siya nilaban sa kanatong mga anak sa singot.